you, welcome back. It's Jyoti. What's happening? Kya chal raha hai? This is very highly requested. Bhumi 2025 seems to be, in the words of one of my, uh, day one viewers, is doing what Coke Studio Bharat was supposed to do. That's a tall claim. So I have not yet engaged with Bhumi 2025, but I did hear it was coming very soon, earlier this year. And all the best to the team. All the artists are, Diggaj Khiladi aaye hain is baar, and they'll be collabing with a lot of folk artists as well, from what I know and what I've heard. And yeah, I'm excited for it, and I'm excited to cover those songs with you guys, because अब काफ़ी सारे messages आ गए हैं मुझे कि भूमि 2025 के गाने please cover करो. It has wait, I'm gonna just see. There's the one with Shankar Mahadevan ji, there's Shan ka gana, there is Arijit ka gana, there is the new one with Sonu Nigam and Paradox, I think. So I think what I will do is I'll just go into Salim Suleiman's channel here. Sorry, I've just landed on the channel, and there's a song that released, Awaz, Cheni Bartal, Noor Mohammed, Salim Suleiman. That's the last one. Then they have a song called Jogia, Sonu and Paradox. Then they have Tum Jo Kaho To, which is Shan, and I think Shraddha Pandit. Yeah. Then they have this Sukoon, Arijit Singh, and they have Shringar, Shankar Mahadevan, and Dwarika Darbar, also Bhumi 2025, and then the announcement. So these are the songs. ठीक है, so let's get to Sukoon. That's the one that was very highly requested. And then let me know what order I should cover the rest in. ठीक है, today we'll just do this one, Sukoon. And it is 7 minutes. 7 minutes ka video it's saying. Let's just quickly read the blurb. We all look around for it, but it's within us. Sukoon. I used to say this. One of my favorite words. Sukoon, wo sukoon mujh mein hai. A very special song, a feeling very close to the heart, sung beautifully by Arijit, written by Shraddha Pandit, music by Salim Suleiman, a film by Sahil Shah. Okay. Okay, lots of sponsors here. ठीक है. Music composed and produced by Salim Suleiman, singer Arijit, lyric Shraddha, music co-produced by Raj Pandit and Anshuman Sharma, vocals arranged by Raj Pandit, piano Salim, drums Darshan Doshi, oh damn, OG man, guitars Ishan Das, bass Ralph Meneses, choir the Indian Choral Ensemble, there's sopranos, quite a few names here, and the choir is arranged and conducted by Kalyani Nair. Lovely, ठीक है. Let's do it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play. He booked a flight while he was drunk.
दिल वही सुकून ढूंढे वैसा ही करार मांगे दिल वही सुकून ढूंढे वैसा ही करार मांगे जो कुदरत ने बिखेरे थे बस मेरी राहों में और किस्मत ने सजाए थे मेरी निगाहों शायद मुझसे ही है, मुझ में ही था और मुझ में ही है। कुछ है अंदर मेरे, लहरों पे मिलता नहीं जो गहरे समंदर मिले। महसूस होगा मुझे जब खुद को पहचानूंगा, दिल के अंदर देख कर अपनी रूह को जानूंगा। डूबेगा तड़प के ही गुजरेगा रोज मरना मेरा। क्या मैंने कभी किया है थोड़ा इश्क भी खुद से, मिल जाएगा फिर जो ढूंढता हूँ मैं दर बदर कब से, वो सुकून।
शफी, शफी, शफी।
What?
वो सुकून शायद मुझसे ही है, मुझ में ही था और मुझ में ही है। वो सुकून शायद मुझसे ही है, मुझ में ही था और मुझ में ही है।
That was very, very powerful and intense. They took us on a whole journey into our own lives. But one second, what happened to that guy? Why did he die? Did he fall and like die, or did he like jump? I'm very unclear. Wait, I have to check the comments for this because I was very hot when he disappeared. Ah, mental health problems. Someone is saying this seems to be Arijit's story. He used to live in Bombay and work for this, work in the industry and things like that. Now he's gone to his hometown and he lives his life in peace and does what he loves to do from there, make music and all of that. Oh my God, this song is really one of those. I was just, of course, you're flowing with what's happening on screen and the story. And I have to say, brilliant acting and brilliant direction. And mad props to the video team for the way every scene unfolded. Um, but I really feel like Arijit's voice carried us through. And I've been waiting to hear a song like this in the voice of Arijit Singh because he can do so much with his voice that I feel is underutilized in the usual, every other song. There are very rare songs, you all know which ones, but there are very few of those rare gems in his discography which fully explore the range of the man. And, चाहे वो फिर ले आए दिल हो या फिर any of those other songs in the Sanjay Leela Bhansali movies. The names don't come to me very quickly, but you know what I mean. Like there are very, very few songs in his huge discography that are those gems that जो दिखाते हैं कि अरिजीत सिंह किस लेवल के सिंगर हैं और क्या उनका caliber है और capability है. So this is one of those. This is definitely one of those. So mad props to Salim Sulaiman for tapping into that side of him as a singer, and it just hit. It just hit, and it made me think so much about where I am in life right now, and where I've been, the things that worked for me from a soul level, what didn't work for me, and how like that scene where he's giving him the shoes and that guy's still so like stuck in the his mind is not where he is, and a simple act of someone just giving you shoes, like take these off, let's go walk. And that look he had when he, you know, was walking in nature for the first time, or maybe after a long time. That they actually, doctors in Japan, I've heard this, maybe Google and double check, but I've heard that they actually prescribe something called nature baths, where you are given a prescription by the doctor to go into the forest and go into the nature, and X amount of time you're supposed to spend there walking or, camping or whatever. So nature baths are prescribed because they're good for your soul. They're good for your mind, heart. Every cell of your being benefits from being with nature. And you could see, and especially हम शहरों में रहने वाले लोग, हमें रियलाइज ही नहीं होता हम कब डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं, और क्या उसका इफेक्ट हम पे होता है. When I used to live in Dubai, and Dubai being the most or one of the most concrete jungles of the modern world, it is all cement, right? We didn't have, and I've been in Dubai from like before there was anything. एक शेख जायद रोड होती थी, उस पे दो साइड्स पे थोड़े टॉल बिल्डिंग्स होते थे. There was nothing else in Dubai when I moved there, right? So um, we've seen it come up. We never had parks. We didn't have green open spaces, and even if you have them, you can't use them for 6 to 8 months of the year because of the heat. So I used to just escape every 3 to 4 months. Every 3 to 4 months, without fail, I was in a different country, in a different environment, especially one that was, like I could do nature baths in, be around trees, be around grass, be around like open vadiyan and all of that. It's so important. So that, and then of course the whole theme of the song and the video, the lyrics, that sukoon hamare andar hi hai, and we search for it everywhere. We search for it in our corporate jobs, in our lives, in our this, that, noise, partying, drinking, going out, blah, whatever. It's just making us lose touch with ourselves. That's, I think, the bottom message, the bottom line. And sukoon remains evasive, and you feel like you can touch it. It's right at like within arm's reach, but it just keeps moving away and away from you, and you don't realize it until you actually suddenly one day find yourself in a place where you are just with yourself and nothing else, and that's when you feel it. So anyway, I'm blabbing, but this was beautiful, and I also liked that he escaped to Srinagar. There's layered meanings there, that we escaped to Srinagar and we connected with nature in that place, and we found what we were looking for there. That thing when he closes the cupboard door and he looks at himself in the mirror and he's standing there in his office wear smiling like a yes man to the boss. And then he's looking like, I don't like this reflection of myself. That reminded me of Tamasha. If you have not connected with Tamasha, the movie, then I don't know what to say to you. One of the most brilliant movies of our times. And I was recently talking to someone about it and bonding over it. ये पूरी कहानी तमाशा का एक्सटेंशन लग रही थी उस फिल्म की स्टोरी का. But I really like this guy who, I don't know what happened to him. Did he disappear? Did he fall? Did he die? Or did he jump? Accidentally he vanished, or purposely, and that's why he was like doing that and taking in his last moments. Like, what was the plan? I feel like that is what it was. He was probably deeply unhappy inside. He passed on like sukoon and happiness to this other person, and then he felt like, I'm done with my life now, and he jumped. That's what I'm going to take away. And so it also highlights the whole mental health issues. We never know what's going on within someone, and that's one interpretation as well. But yeah, beautiful song. Arijit in the Avatar. That's, I love him in. Beautiful writing from Shraddha Pandit, and just overall beautiful video, song, project, all of that. Thank you guys for requesting it. Let me know Bhumi 2025 ka next reaction किस पे होना चाहिए. Comment below and let me know. Until then, hope everyone finds sukoon. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
वो सुकून शायद मुझसे ही है, मुझ में ही था और मुझ में ही है वो सुकून.